news.in.com मेरे साथ इस वक्त हैं दो ऐसे लोग जिन्होंने स्पेशली मेरे सोशल मीडिया पे तबाही मचा रखी है बिकॉज दे आर सो एक्साइटेड फॉर द फिल्म जो बस 10 दिन में रिलीज होने वाली है। जी हाउ इज द फीलिंग, हाउ इज द जोश?
Josh is very high. I suck. But we're very excited and we're very grateful more than anything right now. The only thought that goes in our heads while we're coming here, going for the interviews also is that, you know, thank you God that there are people coming to interview us. It's a big deal for us. And yeah, we're just very grateful. Thank you all for all the love on Instagram, for the trailer, for the songs, so everything in general.
लेकिन अब जब बाहर जाते हैं ना तो पब्लिक भी आ जाती है कभी कभी, तो वो फीलिंग कुछ और है।
तो हम बड़ा कूल बिहेव कर लेते हैं कि वो यस यस ऑफ कोर्स और एक फोटो ले लेते हैं और फिर उसके बाद हम जैसे कल हुआ था हमारे साथ, हम लिफ्ट में अंदर घुसे और नाचने लगे कि यार लोग पहचानने लगे और सेल्फीज आते हैं हमारे साथ। तो
हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है जब पब्लिक ये करती है ना, बहुत अच्छा।
So since we're talking about this, I can't resist asking you, what do you think about now that you all are becoming star, people are recognizing and all, ये paparazzi जो आपको क्लिक करते हैं, the airport looks, how is that feeling?
I love it. I think we're very. I'm sorry. You go ahead, sir. I was very excited to answer. You say. So I just want to say that I love it. I love it. I feel that that's what we work for, to be recognized. And we want more and more people to recognize us and come up for selfies. One advice my father has given me is never say no to someone because he's seen someone saying no to someone, he's already offended. यार तुम स्टार बन हो इनके वजह से। So I love the fact that they are there. I love. I would always oblige them with a picture. But yeah. I think if you don't like it, don't want to do that, then don't become actor. You don't want that. I mean, that's why you become actor.
तो अभी तो सेल्फी का जमाना चल रहा है, बट डू यू कभी अभी तक किसी को ऑटोग्राफ मिला?
When I was in the sets of Jai Ho, there was a kid, very cute, Sardarji. He came to me and he like, sir, can I have your autograph? And I said, मैं तो assistant director हूँ, मेरा autograph क्यों चाहिए? And he said, नहीं मुझे लगता है आप एक दिन actor बनेंगे. So he was my first autograph and I've given quite a few and I love giving autographs. I think when an actor, it's happened to me. I started practicing my signature. कि कभी sign देना पड़े तो कैसा होगा? तो finally I get to use it.
Actor की पहली पहचान।
Yeah.
मेरी पहली ऑटोग्राफ एक्चुअली कश्मीर में थी, जो वकार है हमारी फिल्म में, उसने मेरी पहली ऑटोग्राफ जब हम लोग वर्कशॉप कर रहे थे 10 दिन पहले शूटिंग के, एंड अब मेरे पास एक पिक्चर है उसकी, एक फोटोग्राफ है वकार टेकिंग माय ऑटोग्राफ, तो मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है।
एनी ऑटोग्राफ जो आप लोगों ने पहले बात
नहीं, लेकिन हम लोग ने कल एक फोटो लिया एक्चुअली। बहुत एक्साइटेड।
हमारा फर्स्ट फैन मोमेंट था जब हमने जाके बुलाया हमको एक पिक्चर चाहिए, तो हम दोनों बोलना सर कि बहुत ज़्यादा ही बड़े फैन हैं। और बड़ी बेसब्री तो मुझे मेरा एक्साइटमेंट कंटेन में नहीं हुआ, तो मैं ऐसे एक्साइटेड था फोटो में।
लेकिन इट्स फनी, आई थिंक जब आप किसी के इतने बड़े फैन होते हो ना तो इतनी नर्वसनेस भी नहीं होती पूछने में, क्योंकि आपको ऐसा लगता है हाँ मुझे चाहिए।
बुरा मान जाए तो बुरा मान जाए, मुझे मैं तो पूछ के रहूँगा।
नहीं हक नहीं है, लेकिन you just feel so much love for it that there's no inhibition.
And then that makes you realize how people feel when they want to take a picture with you also. How excited they must be that wow we got a picture. So that is fun. And also yes, when I was young I had a autograph book साथ में, तो हम एक रखते थे बुक जिसमें सबके ऑटोग्राफ्स थे। मेरे पास वैसे 4-5 भरे हुए थे क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा शूटिंग होती थी बैंड स्टैंड पे और मैं बैंड स्टैंड पे रहता था, तो हमें हमेशा पता चलता था कि बैंड स्टैंड में इनकी शूटिंग चालू है, तो हम सब दोस्त भागते थे और शूटिंग देखने। और बहुत हर किसी एक्टर जिसने बैंड स्टैंड में शूट किया होगा 90s में, मैंने सबका ऑटोग्राफ किया।
वाह। तो फिल्म तो आप लोगों ने शूट के लिए गुड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम स्पेंड टुगेदर, बट प्रमोशंस के दौरान इज क्रेजी टाइम, सो इज देयर समथिंग जो आप दोनों ने एक दूसरे के बारे में नोटिस की जो थ्रू आउट नहीं नोटिस की जो प्रमोशंस के टाइम पे हुआ?
नहीं, we spent the last 9 months together and yeah, nothing has out of the ordinary. सडनली पता चला कि यार ये ऐसी करने लड़की है, पहले से पता था अच्छी लड़की है और अच्छी लड़की है अभी तक।
आई थिंक एक प्रोसेस होता है एक दूसरे को जानना, और ऑब्वियसली लेकिन इट्स नॉट अ सेट थिंग ना, इट्स वेरी अनसेट थिंग। लाइक आज मुझे पता है कि दही को कौन सी चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगेगी, उसको पता है मेरा मूड कब ठीक है कब नहीं ठीक है। आई नो व्हेन ही इज फाइन, ही इज नॉट फाइन। Like I think today I know that what would he like to eat, you know, like if somebody does me order lunch for him I can and I know he'll be fine with it. तो ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कभी ऐसा होगा नहीं आई थिंक कि आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी हर रोज 9 महीने रहोगे, you know, like even if you're dating somebody you're not going to meet them every day for 9 months. I think hats off to Zahir and me really, and thank God कि हम लोग ने 9 महीने एक साथ गुजारे और अब भी एक दूसरे से इतना
Wait, इतना मोहब्बत
इतना बहुत स्टफ ऑन दैट वर्ड, लेकिन आप बहुत अच्छी वाइब है, बहुत अच्छी एनर्जी है और मैं बहुत डिप्लोमेटिक होने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. लेकिन मैं फेल हो रही हूँ.
Next question. One thing that you all will never get tired of, you know, there are so many questions. एक film है, आप लोग भी एक ही है. There's a number of people ask me all the same question, but one thing जो आप लोग answer करके बोर बिल्कुल नहीं होंगे, और one thing that you all want to answer nobody has asked yet.
Wow, that's a damn good question. I think that's the question that we wanted to be asked. Okay, what is the question that you want to be asked?
नहीं, अगर आप हमें पूछेंगे नितिन सर के बारे में, मैं मेरे लिए बोलूँगी बिकॉज आई हैव टू टॉक अबाउट. तो अगर आप मुझे पूछेंगे नितिन सर के बारे में, एक्टिंग कोच के बारे में, बच्चों के बारे में और ज़हीर के बारे में, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं थक सकती ये 4 चीज़ों के बारे में. आई थिंक आप नहीं थक नहीं जाऊँगी, बट आई फील कि what we're not getting bored answering.
You're talking about the first film, right? This film, right? So I think we're so excited, and I love saying the same story in different ways. So hopefully I've managed to do that. So we don't get bored, and her and me are very chatty. Like our interviews are समझ लो 5 minutes, they tell us कि भाई please 5 मिनट में खत्म कर देना, लेकिन हमसे होता नहीं है. हम हर इंटरव्यू को कम से कम 15-20 मिनट तो एक्सटेंड कर ही लेते हैं, क्योंकि हमें बात करने की बहुत आदत है. हम दोनों बहुत टॉकेटिव हैं. हाँ, और सेट पे हम ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर सकते थे, हमारे कैरेक्टर्स इतने बात नहीं करते, तो सारी 9 महीने की 4 महीने की भड़ास हम अब निकाल रहे हैं. तो हाँ, we love chatting and we love giving interviews.
Since you all are so much chatty persons, अभी थोड़ा chat को full stop दे रहे हैं. I'm gonna ask you some questions. You all don't have to talk. No plans. Just expressions.
I have to do a lot, but this is okay. अब हम बात करेंगे.
Right. So expressions. Okay, together. Best debut of the year.
What is supposed to do?
If you all want the best debut of the year.
Oh, अच्छा, actually asking you
No answer.
आपको मुझे अवार्ड किसको देना है?
Best debut of the year. So what about
You
it?
have to just react like हाँ. Sharing screen space with Salman Khan. Make a full therapy. A film opposite Hollywood star Brad Pitt, the Wonder Woman.
Okay.
I know her name. I forgot.
For me, it's Brad
Great
Pitt.
idea.
Gary.
One actor.
The news of Salman Khan getting married.
Fancy me. What? How do you say liar?
आप एक्टर है. चल झूठा. अक्षय कुमार की केस की मैंने बोला चल झूठा.
हाँ, चल झूठे.
So I have these now that you all are famous हो गए हैं, actors हो गए and all. I want you all to react to these headlines. Okay. The first one.
When Zayd Bhatt turned a spot boy for co-star Pradyumna Bhatt. What about that?
Yeah. What is the story behind this? I mean,
So I couldn't resist assisting Nitin sir on a film. I have so much to learn from him. So when I had a couple of days off, I used to go on set and assist. I'm an AD. So for half a day, no one let me do any work. But then they realized that I'm quite serious about assisting Nitin sir and wanting to learn from him. So then they gave me work and let me start working and doing stuff. And obviously I used to give mark for her like I did for her father in Jayo when I was assistant director. So I used to give mark for her, and I used to always, usually how the ADs show so much love and they really take care of you on set. So I was trying to take care of her on set, and they always come and sir, do you want some coffee? Shall we get you anything? So I was doing that for her because I was an AD then.
But he does that
how
for
do
me
you
anyway.
rate this spot boy?
He does that for me anyway. This was just a BTS video. There are also other BTS videos.
Okay. This tweet on Salman Khan.
बिना मिले कभी प्यार हो सकता है. Music Pradyumna Bhatt एक बार is unique love story that one. Oh wow! It was any announcement related to our film has been so amazing to see when it comes on Salman Bhai's Twitter or his Instagram. And just when you open Salman Bhai's Instagram and you see your own face, it just makes you feel so happy. Like just now, Main Tare has come out and we have visuals of her and me, and just you're basically sharing screen space with him. It just feels amazing that people die to just meet him or just see him like a kilometer away. Yeah, वो सलमान खान की bracelet दिख गई हमें, and we have the opportunity of working with him like this. It's great. I want to buy my mother a house in London. Yes, I do. London is my mom's favorite city. So yeah, I think that's my dream, and I'm working towards that right now. I really want to get her a beautiful house.
Yeah. Salman sir has given me a lot from pre-caps to my first film. Yeah, so it's a very cute story. Basically, I was at Kamalistan studio and Dad and he were shooting for something, I don't remember what. And I had this beautiful, my favorite Tweety cap, Tweety cap, which was red and yellow in color and had a big Tweety face here. And my favorite थी, तो हर जगह लेके जाती थी and I lost it because the studio इतना बड़ा है, मैं साइकिल वाइकिल कर रही थी and I lost it. I was crying, बहुत रो रही थी set पे. And वो आए and he asked me what happened. So I said I lost my cap. So he said okay. And then he gave a shot. And then after 1.5 hours, I had the same cap, ditto, like right in front of me. So he had apparently sent his spot boy somewhere to get it for me. So yeah, I keep joking. So from Tweety caps to my debut, he's given me a lot.
He's like that.
He's like that.
What are we saying?
Doesn't want to be compared to a grandmother.
So I will just clarify this. This was a question asked to me that what about comparisons with your grandma? And I said that you know I am not even her fingernail. I know that very well, and she's a legendary personality, and she is. I think in cinema, if you just see cinema as a whole, she is you know an actor, a personality par excellence. So मुझे पूछा गया था that what about your and I said that yeah, I know it's gonna happen, it's inevitable, but I take it as a positive thing in my life and responsibility on my shoulders that great, you know, I have this lineage, so let's work my craft. So it's not like I don't want to sound pompous and say that you know मेरे लिए तो मतलब कोई comparison है ही नहीं, वो जहाँ है और जहाँ हमेशा रही है I'm nothing and I know that, but I just want to say that. So comparisons.
Yeah. But for sure, you're gonna make her proud.
Thank you so much.
This helps.
Jonathan Ball and Zaid Ball steal the show at notebook screening.
We agree.
Compass.
No, it's a very nice picture.
This one.
Tanuja and
Carter, welcome Monish Bahar, daughter of Pranita to Colleen with sweet messages. Yes, I am very blessed. I got this beautiful call and message from Tanma praising the trailer, and she was so proud of me, and she was talking to me about you know how it's so important to not bother when you're on set and just be on your mark, and there are going to be people whispering about you, and they're going to be you know talking when you're giving a retake and real stuff which actors go through. And she said you don't have to let anything bother you. You just have to be focused and love what you're doing so much that nothing should deter you. So it was an amazing conversation.
You heard this advice?
From?
The one she got.
Yeah, she told me.
Yeah. So this is the next one for you, the last one.
Anjana and Upo, actors, Zaid Ball, budding friendship. Yeah, we are good friends. I mean, we are all good friends.
This is one of the signs of becoming
we are all his prodigies, and this is not the first time. Lots of other people also. I mean, I find I'm weird that I'm with a friend who I know since even before I became an actor, and like for 7 years, and now suddenly it's like you just come out of a group dinner and it's like oh.
And you should see all of us hanging out
Yeah,
together.
it's part and parcel, and we
You
all
should
hang as
see
a
me,
group.
you
We are
should
all
see,
his
yeah.
prodigies.
You should see me and Mudassar hanging out, me and Ayush,
Yeah.
him and Daisy, me and Daisy.
Yeah.
So we're all part of one
But then we all
big
chill
family.
together. We are a
Yeah.
part of a big family. Like Bhai keeps everyone so close, and we all chill at his house all the time.
Yeah.
So we are bound to become friends. And
Yeah, and
we
I
all
think
are
it's
friends.
good that
and
we're
I think if Ayush was a girl or I was a girl, the biggest rumors would come of me and him, because the amount of we giggle, and people have told us like what's wrong with you all. I was having a scene because we'll be in the corner somewhere doing our own stuff and just giggling and
Yeah.
stuff like that.
No, Arpita, you need to be careful.
Yeah,
I'm telling you,
yeah, and I call him
something
baby and he calls me baby, so we get along like a house on fire, both of us.
But
So I
that's
think-
because Ayush and Nia both very troublesome boys.
Yeah, so I'm glad that neither of us is a girl, because if one of us was, that there would be like major rumor headlines on all the newspapers every single day.
Ayush, what's up?
I love you, bro. I love you if you're watching this.
Alright, so
Baby!
on that note, wishing you all the best for Notebook.
Thank you,
And
thank you.
I hope the audience also say कि आप लोगों ने इस show steal करते हैं.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much. Thank you so much.